The Smittybilt Nerf Steps are made for the 2004 to 14 SuperCab and SuperCrew F150s. They're perfect for owners who want a sleek, wheel-to-wheel step bar to make climbing in and out of your truck easier and safer for you and your passengers, especially useful on those lifted trucks. Each step features a molded rubber non-slip surface for added grip in mud and wet weather. The steps also feature a deep pocket design so they'll fit almost any size shoe or boot. This is a bolt-on kit that requires no drilling or cutting, so I'm giving this install 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter and expect it to take about an hour to complete. Smittybilt designed this bar to allow easy access to all 4 doors, while not taking away attention from the rest of your truck like a flashy or bulky side step might. The bar installs snug against your truck's body, which prevents a major loss in ground clearance and keeps things looking minimalistic, especially useful for non-lifted trucks. The average step or running board would cut into your ground clearance more than these do, which make this high-up design more practical off-road while also looking great once installed. The bar itself is a single piece of 3-inch 304 stainless steel, with each step welded on. The entire thing is then powder-coated in a black finish for rust and corrosion protection, perfect for taking abuse without cracking or chipping like a simple painted finish might. The steps will also help protect your side skirts and door from road debris that might get kicked up. If this all-black styling is not for your build, then keep in mind we have a wide selection of step bars that are polished and stainless steel if you're looking for something flashier to brighten up your rig. We also have single steps if you're looking for assistance on just one side or you're just looking for a smaller solution. Just south of $400 is a great price for this step. It's one of the most affordable, larger step bars we offer. You could save some cash if you want to go with a smaller version or one of the small single steps mentioned. And if you're looking for a chrome or polished steel step, those are going to run you about an extra $100 or more, and then they go up from there. Switching gears to the install. This is a bolt-on design with no permanent modification to your F-150 needed. I'll be giving this 1 out of 3 wrenches on our difficulty meter and expect an install time of about an hour. The first step is locate the factory holes underneath the body mounts, and then place your push nut onto the stud of the included bolt and nut plate. Then slide the bolt and the plate into the hole in the rocker panel. Now take the front and rear bracket cradle and begin installation by lining up each bracket to the nut plate you installed. Fasten the bracket onto the bolt using the supplied washer and nuts. Now fasten the bracket to the threaded nut using the supplied washers and hex head bolt. Tighten until the split washer is flat against the bracket and snug, but do not over tighten. That wraps up my review on Smittybilt's Nerf side steps. You can check these out and more at AmericanTrucks.com.